Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for North Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay area, South Mobile Bay, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, several strong bands of showers and thunderstorms will continue to move across the warned area and produce gusty winds through the morning. The movement of the storms is northwest at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Lillian Bridge, Gator Island, Pinto Island, Big Lagoon, Bon Sucre Bay, Middle Bay Light, Battleship Park, Point Clear and Dog River Bridge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, and Perdido Bay area. The following weather reports were made